Hi, good evening. Today is very important day and we will discuss couple of points. So I request you to pay good attention. Today we will discuss number one, how to find jackpot trade in Back Nifty tomorrow's date today, one day before the jackpot event, using one simple Excel based system. We will also discuss how to find entry and exit level in a jackpot day. Now, what is jackpot day? A jackpot day is a day when market is expected to move in one direction throughout the day. Generally, it should open in one end and close it completely opposite end. It is generally become large movement day. This Excel software coded with a VBA programming language that calculate this type of jackpot opportunity one day before. All you have to do is feed some specific data like high and low of 30-minute candle today to check whether is there any jackpot profitability or probability is there tomorrow. Now we will check yesterday's data to find how yesterday the software indicated that there was a jackpot day opportunity. Now yesterday, you can check my yesterday's video also if you want. Yesterday I mentioned that there is a jackpot opportunity today. You can check my previous video. Now I will put down the high and low of the 30-minute candle. First three candle, that is 9:15 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10:15 and 10:15 to 10:45. I write down the data. This data is yesterday's data. That means 2nd December data. As you can see now, there is nothing. If there is any jackpot opportunity we have today, after I input this data here, then you will find it should appear here. So let's put the data. As I mentioned, this data is yesterday's data. Let's see what's happened. As you can see, there is nothing. And you can also check my yesterday's video too. Yesterday we discussed the same. Now let's feed the data. First I will feed the date. Then I will feed this high low. This high low is the high low of yesterday's first 30-minute candle, second 30-minute candle and third 30-minute candle. You can check this data if you have a charting software from your source of data. 32079.95 was the first 30-minute candle high and 31872.00 was the first candlestick low. Similarly, 32070 31909.15 and 31921.80 and 31800. Once I actually put all those data, then at after 3:30, sorry, you have to put the last 30-minute candles data. Yesterday you can check the last 30-minute candle high was 31938.75 and the low was 31904.05. I have fed all this data. This data was taken from yesterday's high low, that is 2nd December. You can check my video of yesterday. Yesterday we mentioned that there is an opportunity of jackpot trade today. That means yesterday we predicted and we anticipated, sorry, not predicted, that today there is an opportunity that market may move in one direction. As you can feed this data, you should find, yes, these things has changed. Will tomorrow is the jackpot day? Yes. Refer plan jackpot. So what to do today? Now today we have to refer this sheet. This is the jackpot income decision sheet. And what to do? Now, be very careful. What we have to do today, we have to switch to 15-minute candlestick chart. At 9:45, we have to take the high and low of the first 15-minute candle and the high and the low of the second 15-minute candle, and we have to feed this data here. Once we will feed this data here, the Excel background coding should automatically give us all those label and what to do today. Now let's take the chart. This was today's trade. So this was the first candle, first 15-minute candle of the day, and this was the second 15-minute candle of the day. As you can see, this is 15-minute data. This was the first 15-minute, this was the second 15-minute. So the high of the first 15-minute was 31949.90. Look here. And the low, and the second candle high was 31880 and the low was 31833. That's it. We have to take these two data at 9:45 and we have to put this data into this Excel sheet. Let's feed the data and check what is the plan today. I have to change the date first, and I will put the high. The high was 31949.90 and the low was 31831.25. Again the high of the second candle. That means the candle of 9:30 to 9:45. The 31833 and the low was 31833. Sorry, I believe that I make some mistake here. The high was 31880. Sorry, the high was 31880. As you can see, as soon as I put this data, all those level and plans start appearing here. What is the plan? As you can check, today there was a small inside candle type of bar. The high and low was within the high and low of the candle. This is a type 3 case. We have different case. Those who downloaded this Excel sheet know that we have three different cases every day. This is the type 3 trade. In the type 3, what we do is that we have to put the long and short order above the high and low of the first candle. What is the target today? Our target is to exit at 310 as automatically appears here as soon as we put this data here. And stop. Yes, the stop is the according to the plan. Executions bar low and exit at obviously 3110. So what we have to do, we have to put a long order above 31952.40 and short order below 3183.50. Then what to do? Then we have to wait till 310, and as soon as the any of this order will execute, we have to put stop loss. If the trade execute, then the executions were low. If the short trade execute, then executions were high. Now let's see what's happened today in market. As we can see that at the beginning we put the buy order above this high and sell order below this candlestick, the first candlestick, and our sale was triggered here. And as soon as triggered, wait for the close of this candle and then put the stop loss here. This is the executions bar, so we have to put the stop loss here. But frankly speaking, in my trade, I put the stop loss today at this point at 31880 instead of 31857, because I prefer to give my trade little bit of room. But you can put here, or you can follow the exact plan, that is putting the stop loss at the execution bar high. As you can see, as by the definitions of jackpot trading day, market was start was started here and closed at the bottom. That means there was a pretty much one-sided movement. That was the definitions of jackpot day. And only 2 or 3 times in a month we find this type of day, and our excel actually able to catch this type of day one day before these things happen, because my data analysis suggests that this type of movement, there is always a preconditions before this type of movements happen, and it was actually coded into the excel. It was coded into this excel, and this excel actually first calculate whether there is a jackpot day or not based on the high and low of yesterday. And yesterday, if you can check my video, I already mentioned that there was a jackpot opportunity. So what's happened today? As you can see that market was pretty much one-sided. We have entered around 31830 and we exited at 31697. So entry was our entry was 3131830, and it was entry, and exit was 31697. Why 31697? See, this is the 310 candle. We actually close at 310. It is a 15-minute candle. It's ended at 315, and we actually closed it at 31697. So our exit is 31697, and it's a pretty good movement. If you notice that in a one day movement, it's pretty good. Why? Because because if we uh, if we check that sorry the entry was 31830 and the exit was 31697. Sorry, so um, according to this, we had a profit opportunity of almost 133 point. So 133 point means equal to 20 is the lot side. So it's almost 2660 rupees income in a day. You can deduct 60 rupees as commissions on brokerage, and you should you should earn 2,600 rupees for the day, and that's a good income, considering that you have to do nothing. You have to put the trade once at 9:45, and you have to come back and you have to close the trade at 3:10. And you can check the risk reward ratio in jackpot day. Lot of you questions that the risk one ratio in earlier videos in general days was not in favor of the trader. Risk was higher, reward was lower. But at that times, you can see in my comment I mentioned that the risk reward ratio will be balanced once we will get the jackpot day. As you can see here today, the risk was only 27 point. The entry was 31830 and the stop loss was 31857. So probably it was a 27 point risk, and the reward was almost 130 point. So this type of jackpot day actually maintain the overall risk and reward imbalance. And as you can see that market is not always rational. A market is not always moves in with our expectation. So yes, we can expect that a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, whatever maybe, is good. But when we expect such kind of things, we are expecting some rationality in the market, but market is not rational. The game is not like that. It is not. It is an imperfect game. It's not a perfect game where we can approach this game with a perfect mindset. So when we see that sometimes and most of the day, in the normal day, risk reward ratio is not in our favor, but it's okay. It's okay, because our accuracy is high. Most of the day we make money, and there is certain jackpot day comes every month, 2 to 3 times. All those things actually take care of everything. So that's it for today. We had a good day today. Around 2,660 rupees of income. That's good. This month, last Friday, we had made around 940 rupees. And Monday was no trade as per our this system. You can check our previous video also. And today we made 2,660. So around 3,800 900 in last three trading session, trading only one lot. It is going good, but it may face some turbulence in future. That's okay, that's pretty much fine. Overall, it should win. And and thank you for your time, and I appreciate your valuable times too much. Thank you so much.